Squarespace introduced a really cool feature recently, and it was the ability to change the menu system within your website. So a lot of the like navigation parts in the back end of your site, they're pretty much useless for a lot of people. So if you just have a brochure website, you've got no need for e-commerce, you've got no need for payment taking whatsoever. But this would clutter up the menu system for literally millions of users. And so finally we got the ability to be a bit more granular with what we show and what we don't show. So I'm going to show you how to actually edit your menu, and that's the back end menu on your Squarespace website. And I'm going to try and do it in less than 30 seconds. So let's get into it. As always, we're going to use the BikerOvid website as an example. So if I head on over here, you can see that we have this down here. So it's an icon with 3 squares and a plus icon. If we click on it, it's going to allow us to customize the sidebar. So I can add in all of these things, and you can see instantly they go into the menu system. I don't need any of these personally. So what I'm going to do is take every single one out, and there we go. Nice and easy. I told you I'd keep it under 30 seconds. We're at 38 seconds, but I'll try and cut it down. Anyway, if you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.